Oh no, not another UTI. Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's talk about those pesky, uninvited guests, urinary tract infections, or UTIs for short. UTIs happen when bacteria decide to throw a party in your urinary system, and trust me, it's not a party you want to attend. Think of your urinary tract like a water slide at a water park. It's supposed to be a smooth, fun ride for your pee. But when bacteria show up, they clog the slide, turning that fun ride into a nightmare. And the worst part? They're more common than you think, especially among women. Don't worry though, we've got this covered. So how do you know if you have a UTI? Well, your body will definitely let you know. Frequent trips to the bathroom, a burning sensation when you pee, and that constant feeling of needing to go even when you just went. Yeah, those are some classic signs. Some people also experience cloudy or strong-smelling urine, pelvic pain, or even a little bit of blood in their pee. Yikes. Now, if you suspect you have a UTI, don't panic. The first step is to consult your doctor to get a proper diagnosis and treatment. But hey, alongside conventional medicine, there are some fantastic natural remedies that can help prevent and even alleviate UTI symptoms. First up, let's talk about cranberry juice. You've probably heard that cranberry juice is good for UTIs. And guess what? It's true. Cranberries contain compounds called proanthocyanidins, or PACs, that prevent bacteria from sticking to the walls of your urinary tract. Think of it like this. PACs make your urinary tract slippery, so those pesky bacteria can't get a grip and are flushed out more easily. However, not all cranberry juices are created equal. Look for unsweetened, 100% cranberry juice without added sugars for maximum benefit. Next up, we have D-mannose, a naturally occurring sugar that's been making waves in the world of UTI remedies. D-mannose works in a similar way to cranberries. It basically acts like a decoy, sticking to the bacteria like glue so they can't latch onto your urinary tract. Clever, right? You can find D-mannose in supplement form at most health food stores. It's generally safe for most people, but, as always, it's best to chat with your doctor before starting any new supplement regimen. Remember, natural remedies can be powerful allies, but they're not a substitute for proper medical care. Always consult your doctor for personalized advice. Herbal infusions. Sip your way to wellness. Now, who doesn't love a soothing cup of tea? Turns out, certain herbal teas can also lend a helping hand when it comes to UTIs. Dandelion tea, for example, is a natural diuretic, which means it helps flush out bacteria from your system. It also has anti-inflammatory properties that can soothe those irritated urinary tracts. Another great option is UVA Ursi tea, which has been traditionally used for urinary tract health. It contains compounds that can fight off bacteria and reduce inflammation. Just remember, while herbal teas can be helpful, it's crucial to choose reputable brands and consult your doctor, especially if you're pregnant, breastfeeding, or have any underlying health conditions. Hydration and diet, the dynamic duo. Now, let's talk about the importance of hydration and a balanced diet in preventing UTIs. Water is your best friend when it comes to urinary tract health. Aim to drink plenty of fluids throughout the day to help flush out bacteria and keep things flowing smoothly. Think of it like this. The more you pee, the less chance those pesky bacteria have to settle in and cause trouble. As for diet, focus on whole, unprocessed foods like fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. These foods are packed with nutrients that support overall health, including a healthy urinary tract. Mythbusters and giggles. Separating fact from fiction. Now, let's have a little fun and debunk some common UTI myths, shall we? Myth. Holding your pee causes UTIs. Fact. While it's not ideal to hold it in for too long, there's no scientific evidence to suggest that it directly causes UTIs. Myth: UTIs are sexually transmitted infections. Fact: while sexual activity can increase your risk of getting a UTI, it's not considered an STI. Remember, knowledge is power, and knowing the difference between myths and facts can help you make informed decisions about your health. So, there you have it, folks. Some natural remedies and expert tips to help you combat those pesky UTIs. Remember, if you suspect you have a UTI, don't hesitate to reach out to your doctor. They can provide proper diagnosis, treatment, and personalized advice. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. Until next time, stay healthy and keep those urinary tracts happy.